Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about organization structure in SAP MM. In this we are going to cover client, company, company code, plant, purchase organization and storage location. First of all, we'll see client. Client is an organizational unit or a level which contains database tables, master records, transaction records. It is a top organization level in SAP which has a 3-digit number. You can say the 3-digit number like 0001, 001, 066 or 800. This 800 is a IDA server or it's a training client which is provided by SAP for learners, SAP learners. In real time, this client is defined into system by basis consultant. You can say it's a basis consultant responsibility to define this client in a system. The next is company. Company is a organizational unit for which financial statements can be created. For example, Tata, Reliance, this is a company, right? So company means it can be a business organization or a group of business. One company can have multiple company codes, and this company we create in a system with maximum 6-digit code. It may be a numeric, alphanumeric or alphabetic. The next is company code. Company code is an organizational unit where we maintain different GL account, and these GL accounts are maintained by FI people or finance people. Also, for different requirement purpose like legal due to some legal organization and reporting purposes, okay, we create different company codes. And at this company code level, we prepare balance sheets, profit loss statement, which we need to submit to the government. And whatever the company codes we create within a company, all those company code must use same chart of accounts and fiscal year details. Suppose we have one company ABC and one company code is in India and other company code is in US. So as company A is in India, so for company code A we can maintain local currency as Indian rupees, but the company code which is in US, okay, so for that company we can maintain local currency as a US dollar. It means each company code can have a different local currency. And to create this company code, what strategy we follow is, okay, generally this company and company codes are created by finance team or finance consultant. So while company code creation, what finance consultant does, they copy existing company code to create new company code, which will reduce repetitive input of information, okay, from one okay, and it does not change from company code to company, and it will eliminate possibility of misinformation. And while company code creation, we can assign digit up to maximum 4 character. Okay, it may be a numeric, alphabetic or alphanumeric. Okay, it means this company code can be created with a maximum of 4 digits. Next organization unit is a plant. Plant is a organization unit where different activities are performed. For sales department, it may be a sales unit where material storing activity and distribution activity to the customers are performed. For MM, it may be it may be a operational unit where material flow, purchasing and other relevant activities are performed. For production, for PP production planning, it may be a production or manufacture unit where materials are manufactured or produced. One company code can have multiple plants, but one plant cannot be assigned to multiple company codes, okay, and this plant can be created with a maximum 4-digit character. It may be a alphabetic, alphanumeric or numeric. Then next is purchase organization. Purchase organization is a organization unit who is responsible to perform purchase related activities where they purchase material or services from vendor by negotiating terms and conditions. And this purchase organization can be created with a maximum 4-digit character or 4-digit code, which may be a numeric, alphabetic or alphanumeric. This purchase organization, okay, we can assign to we assign to plant. So one purchase organization can be assigned to multiple plant, or one plant can have a multiple purchase organization. But at company code level, if we are assigning purchase organization, then we can assign purchase organization to one company code only. We cannot assign one purchase organization to multiple company code. It can be assigned to one company code only. And in SAP, we have a different types of purchase organization. So this purchase organization details I have explained in our previous session. Okay, and that previous session link I have shared in comment section. Then the next organization level is a storage location. Storage location level, the name itself indicates the purpose of this organization unit. It's an organization unit where materials are stored within a plant, which helps us to differentiate stock of the material in a plant. It can be created with a maximum 4-digit code, which may be a numeric or alphabetic or alphanumeric. And this storage location we assign to plant. So one plant can have a multiple storage location, but the same storage we cannot assign to multiple plants. So this is about theoretical part of enterprise or organization structure. Now we'll see in a system how to define these organization elements and how we can maintain relation between these organizational elements. So to configure this enterprise structure, we need to navigate some configuration settings. So to navigate those configuration settings, we have to enter configuration path as a SPRO, then click on IMG button. First we are going to define company. So to define company, we have to go into enterprise structure, definition, then financial accounting, and here we will get option for define company. So click on this execute button, then click on new entries. So here I am putting key for company XY. WP GR CG GRP. Okay, I am giving 5-digit code. You can give code up to 6-digit, but I am giving here CG group CG GRP as a code. I am putting description as a CG group, putting some description, address, maintaining local currency as a INR. Then click on save button. The moment you click on save button, system will pop up. System will throw one pop up for customizing request. So here I am creating new transport request. Click on save, then click on continue. That's it. So the data has saved. Now click on back button, again go back. Next organization element which we want to create is company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Click on this execute. Now in this pop-up we'll get two options. First option is copy delete check company code. Second option is edit company code data. As I already mentioned, okay, generally what we do is we don't create brand new company code. Instead of that, what we do, we copy existing one and create new one. So I am clicking on this copy delete check company code. Here you have an option. Click on this copy org object button. So in this pop-up, we'll get two options, from company code and to company code. So to create our company code, what I will do, I will copy existing company code. Okay. So I am copying 0001 company code and I am creating a new one, CG01. Click on continue. So here what system is saying, now we are copying existing company code 0001. So while copying, what system will do? System will copy all data which is maintained under 0001. So first data is related to GL account. Then system is asking, do you want to copy GL account information from that 0001 company code? If you want to copy, then click on yes. So I am clicking on yes. Then system is okay. In the next pop-up, what system is saying, this controlling area is assigned to source company code 0001. So do you want to maintain same assignment? Okay, do you want to assign your company code also to this controlling area? Yes, I want to assign my company code also to this controlling area. So click on yes. Now here it is, the system is saying the copied company code 0001 has a local currency euro. So do you want to maintain same local currency in your company code, or do you want to change? Okay, so here it is asking, do you want to allocate different local currency? Okay, for the timing I am just mentioning no, I don't want to copy, I don't want to allocate different local currency, I want to use same local currency euro. Then click on continue. Again continue. Do you want to transport number ranges? No. Here you can see SAP himself, okay, directing us, okay, what option we need to select. So here they have highlighted this no, so I am clicking on no. Okay, our data has saved. Yeah, so we got the message, company code 0001 copied to CG01. Click on continue. Again go back. Now if you want to maintain additional information in that company code, then just double click on this edit company code data and here search your company code data. So now click on position button and enter your new company code. So our company code is CG01. Enter the CG01. Click on continue. Then if you want to see details, or if you want to maintain additional information in this company code, then you can directly double click on this row, or you can select this row and click on details button. So now here I want to change, okay, company name, because this name came from that copied company code. So here I am putting company code CG company code 01. I am also changing address. You can change address here, or you can change from here also. So I am clicking on here address button. Here putting description as a CGGRP company code 01. In search term also I am putting same CGGRP street. Street here I am putting CGSTRET. Postal code 400719. City I am putting something, for example Mumbai. country I am selecting India. Then region, okay, if you press F4 button or drop down option, from here you can select state. So I am selecting state as a Maharashtra. Here you can maintain additional information like communication details like language, telephone, mobile phone. Okay, here I am putting CGXY at something I'm just putting. Click on save. So now we have created company code and we have updated required information in the company code. Now the next option, next organization level is a plant. So clicking on back button, again click on back button, close this pop-up. So as I mentioned earlier, this company code it's finance consultant responsibility to create, okay, this organization level. And here you can see these nodes are available under financial accounting. Now next we are going to create plant. So to create plant, we need to go into this enterprise structure definition and in logistic general. It's a consultant responsibility to define plant code. So here you can see, here we have an option define plant and copy delete check plant. So click on this copy delete check plant. Again double click on this copy delete check plant. Click on this copy org object button, and from this drop down option you can select existing plant code. Let's see if we have 0001 plant. No, take any existing one. Okay, what I will do, I will just copy this existing 0001. Not sure what is it's correct or not, but I am copying 0003. Now here I am entering 4-digit code for plant. So here I am putting CGP1 numeric alphanumeric code for our plant, CGP1. Click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Do you really want to transport number registers? Clicking on no. Okay, now I want to create new transport request, because earlier transport request, okay, suppose it is created by finance people and I want to maintain related settings under different transport request. That's why I have created new transport request, and here I will mention CGGRP config settings. So for related settings I will maintain under this new transport request. Click on save. Click on continue. So plant 0003 has copied to CGP1. Click on continue. Then now plant has copied, right? But if you want to do any changes in that plant, then what you need to do, you have to click on back button, close this pop-up, go to the define plant. Earlier in ECC, this define plant option was available under this copy delete check plant. Here you can see these two options, but earlier the define plant was the option, that define plant option was available in this pop-up. But now what SAP did, SAP removed from that pop-up, and they have added that define plant option on in the front end, or in this IMG screen only. Click on this execute button, search your plant, click on position button. What is our plant code? CGP1. select this row, click on details button. Here I am putting description CG group plant 01. Now I want to do changes in address, right? So for this you have to click on this address button. From here, okay, you can change address details CG group plant 01. In search term also, if you want to search plant, so here you can search with the search term code CG street number. I am giving randomly. Postal code also I am giving randomly. City I am giving Mumbai. Country I am selecting as India. Then okay, we can go back to address section, select region Maharashtra, and removing this, add time zone. Okay, as per this country, system will automatically determine time zone. So it has determined time zone as India. Click on continue and click on save. Now I have modified information in CGP1 plant, but I want to create one more plant. So what I will do, okay, I will again go back and in this copy detail check plant. Okay, now what I will do, I will copy CGP1 plant and I will create new plant as a CGP2. Okay, so second plant also copied. Go back, click on this button in define plant, search your second plant code CGP2 and do the necessary changes. So here I am changing description as a CG group plant 02. Go to the address section. Here also change the required details. Okay, changing city and also I am changing address something. Okay, click on continue and save. Go back. Now we have created plant. The next organization level is purchase organization. So to create purchase organization, we need to go into materials management. Same under definition, instead of logistic general, we need to expand this material management navigation path and click on this maintain purchase organization. Click on this execute button. Now here I want to create purchase organization. So click on new entries. So here I am maintaining purchase. Here I have to maintain purchase organization code, description and validity. So here I am putting P1 PS. Okay, CGP1, or first I will create CGP1. Okay, I will here I can give same code, okay, to the purchase organization also. We have created a plant with the code CGP1, so same code I can give allocate for, or I can provide for purchase organization also. So here I am putting CGP1 purchase organization. Okay, here we have one more field. Actually this is a new functionality and good functionality provided by SAP. Suppose after some time, after some days, suppose this purchase organization is bad and you don't want to use this purchase department okay anymore in the future, then in that case what you can do, under this validity you can select the relevant option. Suppose if you want to use this purchase organization in future, then you can select valid. If you want to select if you don't want to use this purchase organization in future, then you can select no longer valid. So it means, suppose if you try to create purchase order, okay, for this plant, and if you try to search purchase organization, then you will not see this value in a drop down option if you select this no longer valid. But if you select this deprecated means this purchase organization will not be used, or we cannot use this purchase organization in future, but it will be displayed in a input. Okay, it will be shown in drop down option. So this is the feature of this validity field. For the time being, I am just creating one purchase organization, or let me create one more or two more. I will create CG, PS, CG, CG, CP and CG, CC. CG, P1 cross plant and CG, CC, or let me create CG, P, CG, CP, okay, cross plant and cross company. Now click on save. Okay, here it is saying this entry is already present, so I am just changing P1 CG. Okay, so this is how we created storage location. The last level is the last organization unit. The last organization unit is a storage location, and we saw in theoretical part, right? What is meant by storage location level? Storage location level means it is a organizational unit where materials are stored within a plant, right? And that storage location we assign to plant. Now we will see how to create storage location. So to create storage location, we need to go under same materials management, and here you will get option maintain storage location, okay, for storage location creation. Now click on this execute button. So at the time of storage location creation, it will ask, okay, system will ask, okay, under what plant you want to create storage location. So I want to create storage location under plant CGP1. So here I am providing plant information, then click on continue or apply button. So now here you can see some storage locations are already exist or already present under this plant, but this plant is newly created, right? We have not created this storage location. Then how or from where this information came? Do you remember how this plant was created? We created this plant by copying existing 0003 plant. So it means when the plant was copied, so it copied all information from that 0003 plant. So that 0003 plant has this storage location data. That's why in our plant also this data got copied, right? Suppose if you don't want to use this information, or if you don't want to use this storage, then what you can do? You can simply select this line and you can click on delete option. And then click on save, and then click on new entries. Now I want to create storage locations. Okay, so one storage location I want to create for raw material. So here I am providing 3-digit code as a RAW. RAW is this storage location I want to use for raw materials. Then FG01, this storage location I want to use for finished goods. Okay, SCRP, this I want to use for scrap materials. So like this you can create n number of store locations under a plant. And here also we have a one additional functionality which introduced in S4 HANA. Earlier in ACC, okay, this feature or this option was not available, but SAP has introduced. Why? Because SAP got, or okay, from some client, okay, we got some requirement, or SAP got requirement, okay. What happened, okay, after some time, okay, what business do, okay, they want to ban one store location, or they want to close one store location. So in that case, okay, to do, okay, if you don't want to use any store location, then in that case what we were doing, we were putting deletion flag for all the materials, okay, which are extended to that respective store location. And or what we were doing, we were putting some description as a do not use or something, okay. So to avoid those, okay, thing, what SAP did, SAP introduced this validity function where we can, if we don't want to use any storage location, so for the storage we can maintain appropriate validity input. Suppose if after some time, okay, I don't want to use this scrap solution, then for this scrap, what input I maintain here, I can select not no longer valid. It means, suppose for this solution, if we try to perform any transaction, so during that transaction system will directly throw error message as this solution SCRP is no longer valid. And also this storage location SCRP will not be displayed in any drop down option if we put no longer valid as a criteria for this SCRP storage location. There's one more parameter, deprecated. Deprecated means if we put this validity parameter for any solution, then in the drop down option this storage location will be available as an input, okay. This will be displayed in a F4 or drop down option, but okay, we cannot use in the future. So this is the purpose of this validity column. I can show you in detail, okay, how this parameter, okay, works, okay, during any transactional movement. For the timing I am selecting valid, click on save. So this is how we saved or we defined organization structure. Now the definition part, okay, has complete, but now we need to maintain relation or assignment between these all organizational elements. So how we can assign this, or how we can define relation between these organizational elements? So for this I am just going back and will show you from scratch. So again I am going to SPRO IMG, click on enterprise structure. Now we are going for assignment section, right? Assignment part. So to do assignment, we need to expand this assignment section, then go to financial accounting. Here what we'll do, we'll assign our company code to company. So click on execute. So first column is a company code and last column is a company. So now search your company code. Our company code is a CG01, right? So I am assigning this company code to our company. What is our company? CGGRP. Okay, you can type manually or you can search from drop down option also. Clicking on save. So here it will again ask, okay, to save these changes under configuration or a transport request. So for this, now as this is a finance setting, so I want to maintain this data under finance transport request. So how you can search that finance transport request? So for this you can click on this on request button, and whatever the transport request created, okay, so it will show you, okay, in this pan section. So here the earlier transport request which I created for finance setting, it was this, ending with 2704. So I am selecting this one. So under this, okay, I am going to maintain this assignment part of company code to company. Okay, the data has saved. Now click on back. Now next thing, I want to assign plant to company code. So to assign plant to company code, go to this logistic general, click on assign plant to company code. Here first column is a company code, second column is a plant. So click on position and search your plant. So what is your plant? P1 CG. Is it showing? No. Then go to selection, click on by contents and search with plant P1 CG. Oh, plant code was CGP1, right? Sorry, mistake I did. No need to go here. You can search from here also. CGP1. Yeah. But currently, here you can see, currently this plant is assigned to 0003. Why? Because what system did? System copied all configuration settings which were present under this company code. So first of all, we need to delete this incorrect, inappropriate company code plant assignment, and after that you need to save it. Okay, and then click on new entries, and here you can maintain appropriate company code plant assignment. So my company code is CG01 and my plant is CGP1. Then click on save button. Okay, so data has saved. Now plant company code assignment is done. What is the next assignment? We need to maintain purchase organization to plant. So for this we have to go to the materials management, and here you will get different assignments. So this different purchase organization assignment, okay, I will take in the next section. So currently what we'll do, we'll assign our purchase organization to plant. So click on this assign purchase organization to plant config node, and here click on new entries. What is your purchase organization? Our purchase organization is P1 CG. What is our plant code? CG P1. Hit enter. Okay. Now as this purchase organization plant solution is consultant's responsibility. So what I am going to do is, okay, I am maintaining this assignment part of purchase organization plant under our transport request. So I am clicking on this, click on continue button. That's it. So this is how we can do assignment between plant and purchase organization. Then the last question, do we need to maintain assignment between store location and plant? No, because at the time of creation, store location creation, we saw, right, while store location creation, what we did, we selected plant for which, okay, we want to create store location. I am showing again. When we clicked on this maintain store location, system asked us under which plant you want to create storage location. It means while definition only, what system does, system maintains assignment between plant and storage location. Okay, so this is about organization structure in SAP MM. Suppose if you want to search this organizational data in a database table, so how I can search this information? Okay, if you want to access any database table, then you have to execute this transaction code SE16N, then hit enter. Now I want to see company code data. So to see company code data, the database table which we want to use is T001. Okay, so under this T001 table, database table, system stores company code information. So what was our company code? Our company code was CG01. So here I am entering CG01 company code and clicking on execute button. So it will show all company code data. If you double click on this, okay, here you can see whatever the information we entered, okay, it will show here. So like this T001 for plant, what is the table? So plant data stores in T001W table. Okay, plant data stores in T001W table. So here I am putting plant code CGP1 and we created one more plant CGP2. Click on execute. Okay, so here you can see plant information. If you double click on this line, okay, you can see all this information in tabular form or in columnar form. Going back, now if you want to search storage location information, then what is the table? T001L. Here I am putting CGP1 plant code and clicking on execute. So under this plant, okay, whatever the store locations we have created, okay, that all information you can see under this T001L table. Similarly, T024E, okay, purchasing organization information system stores in T024E table. So we created one purchase organization with the code P1CG, right? So here I am putting purchase organization code P1CG, clicking on execute button. So here you will get purchase organization information. Similarly, if you want to see plant and company code assignment table, so plant company code assignment table is T001K. If you want to identify which plant is assigned to which company code, so for that this table is useful. Okay, under this T001K table we can identify which plant is assigned to which company code. So here I am putting CGP1, okay, and I am clicking on execute. So here with this, okay, we can identify this plant belongs to this company code. In reverse way also this table works. Suppose if I know the company code and I want to see under which company code how many plants are assigned, so here you can put company code and you can click on execute. So with this also system will show you, okay, for this company code which are the plants are assigned. Okay, so this is all about organization structure. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye.